Good day, everyone. I would like to discuss to you about the understanding multiple regression. So, it is a statistical approach to analyzing relationship between variable. Presented to you by me, Alvin Brillantes, for the final exam of Ma'am Kering Dizon. So, this is topic overview. What is multiple regression? When is multiple regression used? How to use multiple regression? Application of multiple regression kag real world scenario where multiple regression is used. So first things first, what is multiple regression? So in the definition it is a statistical method to analyze the relationship between one dependent variable and two or more independent variables. So I'll summarize it all. So ang multiple regression is statistical method na gumagamit ka ng gina-analyze mong method sa one dependent variables two or more dependent variables isa ka study. So when to use multiple regression? So useful ang multiple regression when there are two or more independent variable in one study. So you can't use linear regression on it because they have two or more variable, while sa linear regression only one independent and one dependent. So that is where the multiple regression is used. Next, when to use multiple regression? So I put some condition on when to use the multiple regression. There are two condition. There must be only one dependent variable. Hindi yan dependent po yan, nakalimutan ko change. And there are two or more independent variable. And the application to use the multiple regression is kung ano ba purpose ng sa multiple regression na. So ang purpose or application is predicting the outcome and the understanding the relationship among the variables. Next, how to use multiple regression. So there are 5 steps to analyzing 5 steps to use multiple regression. So step 1 is to define the dependent in the independent variable. Next is the check of assumption. May isang sa guide sa baba na i-check mo ang normality of errors, absence of outliers, and no multi-collinear data. Next is to collect data. Next is after mo mag-collect ng data is mag-build ka ng model. Sa pag-build mo ng model is dapat mo gamiton ang regression equation, which is the y is equals to b0 plus b1 times 1 plus b2 times 2 and so on to bn times n plus e. And after you solve the equation and you have found the solution, that will be the interpretation of the result will come. Next is application of multiple regression. So application of multiple regression is mostly used in education, healthcare, business, and marketing, and so on. So yan lang yung akong bibigay kasi madami pa yan pero hindi kaya ng time. Next is the real world scenario. So this is the real world scenario kung paano mo siya gamitin ang multiple regression. So example is predicting the employees productivity. So first is find the dependent and the independent variable. Magkuhan ka ng check for assumption nanda, mag-gather ka ng data, gamitin mo ang regression equation. Pagkatapos yun is maglagay ka ng interpretation. So the summary will be the multiple regression is a powerful tool for analyzing a relationship. It provides insight for the combined effect of variable, and the key takeaway will be it is used to make data-driven decisions in real world application. That will be all. Thank